There's one move that makes women instantly stop scrolling, stop talking, and start paying attention to you. But almost no guy ever uses it. It's not a pickup line. It's not confidence tricks or status flexing. It hits her brain like a status alarm. Not logical, instinctual. If you've ever felt like she's testing you, doubting you, or just not taking you seriously, you're about to flip that script. I'm going to show you the one move that turns casual interest into genuine respect, and why most men mess it up before they even realize what's happening. Here's what most guys get wrong. They think respect comes from being nice, from proving themselves, from showing her how thoughtful and considerate they are. But that's not how her brain works. Women don't respect men who try to please their way into approval. We respect men who show restraint, men who are a little unpredictable. These are primal markers of value. When she knows exactly what you'll do next, you become emotionally safe, comfortable, and honestly, forgettable. Mystery creates fascination. Detachment signals status. The moment you become predictable is the moment she stops wondering about you. And when she stops wondering, she stops feeling. So what's the move? I call it commanded withdrawal. It's simple, but almost nobody does it. You calmly break rapport at your peak moment of attention, right when things are flowing, right when she's engaged and leaning in. You pull back. Not coldly, not rudely, just deliberately. Maybe you're mid-conversation and she's laughing at something you said. You hold eye contact for a beat, give her a slight smile, then excuse yourself to grab a drink or say hello to someone else. Or she asks you a baiting question, something designed to make you qualify yourself, and instead of answering eagerly, you smirk. Pivot the topic entirely. Let the question hang there unanswered. It's not about ignoring her. It's about choosing when to stop giving energy. That choice is where the power lives. Here's why this works on a biological level. Her brain is running a validation loop. She says something, you respond positively, she feels good, the loop continues. When you interrupt that loop unexpectedly, when you withdraw while she's still emotionally open, her brain scrambles to make sense of it. It's the same dopamine mechanism that makes slot machines addictive. The interrupted pattern creates a spike of arousal and attention. Women expect men to chase. We're conditioned for it. The moment you don't follow that script, she has to reevaluate you. Her subconscious runs a quick calculation. Why would he walk away? He must have options. He must have something better going on. He's not desperate for my attention. That reads as high status, and high status commands respect automatically. When you walk away while she's still emotionally open, her brain fills that silence with fantasy. She starts imagining, wondering, and that wondering is the beginning of genuine attraction. Most men destroy this dynamic before it even starts. The second they sense tension, they rush to smooth it over. They over-explain, they apologize, they try to make her feel comfortable. But comfort isn't what creates attraction. Tension is. Let her sit in that space. That uncertainty is the signal of your value. If silence scares you, you've already lost the frame. Here's a practical shift. Use statements instead of questions. Questions put you in the position of seeking information from her. Statements project certainty. Instead of asking what she does for work, try something like, "You've got that vibe, like you don't follow the rules. I'm curious about you." See the difference? One seeks, the other observes and decides. One chases, the other invites. There's a bonus effect most guys never consider. Sexual polarity, that magnetic tension between masculine and feminine energy, thrives on this dynamic. Respect is the gate to desire, not the other way around. She can't feel genuinely attracted to a man she doesn't respect first. This move flips the entire interaction. Instead of chasing her approval, you trigger her curiosity. And curiosity is catnip for attraction. You don't need to get her. You need to shake her pattern, then disappear. Let her come back to you, because she will. That's what respect does. It makes her invest. An investment is everything.